Hi, Brit fam. Welcome to Brit Lachey Speaks. We're going to react to 10 Million and Jerome's Animal Crackers today. This is a sponsored video. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go on and get into this. Oh, this is a familiar song. Oh, they got real animal crackers. All right. Oh, now this is interesting. I want this chair. I like this beat. This beat is awesome. Okay, so first off, the beat is awesome. Like, I am really loving the beat. I like that I can understand this rapper. I don't know him, but the fact that I can understand what the heck he's saying and he's not mumble rapping, I'm giving you thumbs up for that just on the beginning. Just on the beginning. Ladies look good too. All right. I like this production. It's simple, yet everything's not in a stagnant place. I'm a TV prod major, so production value to me has always got to be top notch. I like how this is done. Whoever is directing this is you're doing good things. You're doing good things. Love it, love it, love it. Let's get back into this. Oh, they have animal masks on. I'm just now seeing. Did y'all notice that? They all have different. The ladies all have different animal masks on. That's a quotable. I was about to say, dude, how you not gonna smile? She throwing animal crackers on you. This is. Oh, nice effect. Nice effect. Kudos to keeping the theme of your video with the animal crackers all over the place, the different masks for the ladies. Awesome, awesome. Look at these. Oh, animations and graphics. On beat. High five to the editor. They don't never get any love. He has a really, really smooth flow. I like this. I'd love to see some more songs from him. Gonna have to look him up on Spotify, see what's going on. Slow-mo in motion. Stick with it, lady. Got the kids in the background. You can't be still singing to this song. Like, it's really, really catchy beat. You can't just stay here like this. You gotta rock with it. Put some little swag. You can't listen to this and be still. Good song, good song. There's so many quotable moments. All right. All right, you an animal cracker. You ain't never been a friend. Dude. Sing it, kids. Hey, shout out to all the DJs with this in rotation. Middle finger to all you animal crackers. Middle finger to all you blogs that ain't posting this. All right. You know, you got to follow instructions sometimes. This is cute. This was nice. I really like this. It was banging. Like, for real. Awesome. So I'm giving this like a big thumbs up. Love the beat. Like the artist that was rapping. Love whoever is your camera person. Dude, you need to rock with them for like a good minute. And your editor completely on point. So, Brit fam, if you like this video and want me to see more, recommend some more videos for me to react to. New venture in doing reaction videos. So this is a work in progress, people. And just, like, comment down below and subscribe.